Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your travel preferences with Expedia, full guide step by step clearly. To reset your travel preferences with Expedia, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Expedia website. Log into your account by clicking on the sign in option at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, then click sign in. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or name at the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile icon, which will drop down a menu. Select Account Settings from the options presented. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Travel Preferences section. Click on Travel Preferences to view your current settings. You will see various categories such as Preferred Airlines, Hotel Preferences, and Travel Types. To reset your preferences, click the Edit button next to each category. For airlines, select none or choose different options based on your interests. For hotel preferences, decide if you want to reset to default settings or choose new criteria. For travel types, check or uncheck different types of travel that align with your current plans. After making your selections, ensure you click Save Changes at the bottom of each section. Once all preferences are updated, return to the main account settings page. Review your changes to confirm everything is set as desired. Lastly, log out of your account to ensure your preferences are saved securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.